Hey, I just X'd your name, pulled it off of here so I could do a video on this. Couple things you need to fix with this one. The first thing is that our year values should not be in the thousands, like 1,900 or 1,910. They are so large that our vertical intercept is going to be so far past the data that there's no way it's going to make any sense. I can't even find the thing. Okay, so we always, always, always need to choose a starting year if our input is a year value. A starting year can be any year you choose that is near the beginning. Oftentimes, if you're doing homework problems, they will tell you what year to choose. Start in 1905 or start in 2010. I didn't tell you the starting year, so you need to choose it. So if, for example, the data started in 2013, you might say, okay, 2010 is a convenient starting year, so 2013 is 3 years past it. Here, your data starts in 1900, which is already a pretty convenient starting value since it's already a nice round number, and so you can just count from that beginning value and count all your year values from the first one. If the first one's not a round value, like 2013, for example, you can make it 2010 just so it's easy to count from a starting year, but you always have to have one. Okay, so that's a quick change, just change all the input values in your tables to go along with that starting value. Okay, then you do have your regression piece down here. Let me move what we've got here down there. After you do your regression line, you are going to rewrite the line. It's a line, so it's y equals mx plus b. You're not going to write the letters m and b. Instead, you're going to write their values. You know the values. They're calculated for you. So write those values, the numbers, in for m and for b. Then this stuff that we were trying to do here with the inequality needs to go on the same line as your rewritten equation. We need to fix this. This needs to have not the full 1,910, etc. Your values. It needs to have whatever you've modified these to be in your table. And then the other thing is you can't have mismatched inequalities. They both need to be going in the same direction. It just doesn't work right now. You're saying that 1900 is both less than and greater than 1910. It's a false statement. So they need to go in the same direction. They need to both be true. So in this case, it'd both be less than, right? Because 19,000 is less than 1910. It's not greater than in any case. 1900, I meant to say. So same direction on there. Change those values to match your table and write your equation in with its parameters and get all your tables modified. It won't take too long. You've got a good starting point here. You got your regression statements. The y values in your table won't have to change, but you will need to modify the x's off of a starting year.